Creating a Nuxt project from scratch only requires one file and one directory. We will start by creating an empty directory using the terminal. Let's call the project my Nuxt project, and then let's move inside that directory. We can then create a package.json. The package.json is like the ID card of your project. We can add the name of our project and some scripts. Scripts define the Nuxt commands that will be launched with yarn or npm. The scripts we need are dev, so we launch a development server on localhost 3000 with hot reloading. Build, so we can build our application with Webpack and minify the JS and CSS for production. Start, so we start the server in production mode after running the build command. Generate, so we can build the application and generate every route as a HTML file, which is used for static hosting. Once the package.json has been created, we need to add Nuxt to our project. We can do this using the yarn command, yarn add nuxt. This command will install Nuxt as a dependency to our project and add it to our package.json automatically. The Node modules directory will also be created, which is where all our installed packages and their dependencies are stored. A yarn.lock file is also created, which ensures we have the right versions of our packages installed in our project. We can now create our first page. Nuxt transforms every Vue file inside the pages directory as a route for the application. Let's create an index.vue file in the pages directory. It is important that this page is called index, as this will be the default page Nuxt shows every time the application opens. Let's open the index file in our editor and add some content. We can now run our project in dev mode using the yarn dev command. Our application is now running on localhost 3000. If we open this URL in our browser, we should see the text "Hello World," which is the text we added to our index page. And that's it! We now have our first Nuxt project up and running. By the way, when launching Nuxt in development mode, it will listen to file changes in our directories, so there is no need to restart the application when adding new pages.